Series of ProShow training tutorials here on Udemy. Each monthly series covers various topics in ProShow Producer, so there's no particular order that they should be watched in. So if you see something in this volume that you really want to learn, but you haven't watched any of the previous volumes, that's okay. Just jump right in. In the Create section of this course, you'll learn how to build a diagonal adjustment title slide using adjustment and gradient layers, a double line desaturated transition where we'll create a super thin line and discuss default motion easing settings for internal transitions, a diagonal text overlay where we'll use a gradient masking layer and a solid layer that is completely transparent. Finally, we'll create a photo collage using masks, where you'll learn some of the advantages of using masks and the importance of layer order. In the how-to tutorials, you'll learn where ProShow stores your backup files and, more importantly, how you can access and use them. You'll learn how to create DVD chapters from a multi-show project. You'll learn a few different ways to create a scrolling credit slide, either using caption layers or text layers. You'll learn how to use ProShow as a presentation program similar to PowerPoint, where a live presenter can control when to advance to the next slide. And you'll learn how to export still frames to use as thumbnails and how to ensure that you can export them at a high enough resolution for a beautiful printed photo. You must have ProShow Producer 9 for many of these tutorials, as they use the new filters feature and many of the standard producer tools such as masking and gradient layers that aren't found in ProShow Gold. So if you've been wanting to create some really amazing shows with ProShow Producer, get ready because we're about to unleash your creativity.